Understanding the root canal procedure, dispelling myths and misconceptions. When it comes to dental procedures, the root canal is one that is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Many people cringe at the mere mention of a root canal, associating it with pain and discomfort. However, the reality is far from these misconceptions. In this video, we will delve into the details of the root canal procedure, debunking myths and shedding light on what to expect during the process. What is a root canal? Before we dive into the myths surrounding root canal procedures, let's first understand what a root canal actually is. A root canal is a dental procedure that is performed to treat a tooth that has become infected or decayed. The procedure involves removing the infected or damaged tissue from the inner part of the tooth, known as the pulp. Once the infected pulp is removed, the tooth is cleaned, disinfected, and sealed to prevent further infection. Dispelling myth number 1: root canals are painful. One of the most common misconceptions about root canals is that they are extremely painful procedures. While it is true that some discomfort may be experienced during the procedure, thanks to modern advancements in dentistry, root canals are now relatively painless. Local anesthesia is used to numb the area around the tooth, ensuring that you do not feel any pain during the procedure. In fact, many patients report feeling much better after the root canal, as it alleviates the pain caused by the infection. Dispelling myth number 2: root canals cause illness. Another myth surrounding root canals is the belief that they can cause illness or other health problems. This myth originated from outdated research done in the early 20th century, which suggested a link between root canals and systemic illness. However, numerous studies since then have debunked this myth, showing that there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that root canals can cause illness. In fact, root canals are a safe and effective way to save a tooth and prevent the need for extraction. Dispelling myth number 3: tooth extraction is better than a root canal. Some people believe that it is better to have a tooth extracted than to undergo a root canal procedure. However, this is not necessarily true. While extraction may seem like a quicker and easier solution, it is important to remember that preserving your natural teeth is always the best option. A root canal allows you to save your natural tooth, maintaining the integrity of your smile and preventing the need for costly replacements such as dental implants or bridges. What to expect during a root canal procedure? If you are scheduled for a root canal procedure, knowing what to expect can help alleviate any fears or anxieties you may have. The procedure typically takes place over 2 or more visits, depending on the severity of the infection. During the first visit, the dentist will numb the area around the tooth with local anesthesia to ensure that you do not feel any pain. The infected pulp is then removed, and the tooth is cleaned and disinfected. A temporary filling is placed to protect the tooth until the final restoration can be completed. In some cases, a second visit may be necessary to complete the root canal procedure. During this visit, the tooth is filled with a rubber-like material called gutta-percha to seal it and prevent further infection. A crown or filling is then placed on top of the tooth to restore its function and appearance. After the procedure is complete, you may experience some sensitivity or discomfort, but this can be easily managed with over-the-counter pain medication. Root canal procedures are an essential part of modern dentistry, helping to save infected or damaged teeth and alleviate pain. By dispelling myths and misconceptions surrounding root canals, we can encourage more people to seek treatment and maintain their oral health. If you are in need of a root canal, do not hesitate to speak to your dentist about your concerns and ask any questions you may have. Remember, a root canal is a routine procedure that can save your natural teeth and restore your smile.